Israel was, was looking to China as a source of investment and a source of know-how. Certainly, China's, road and belt, system of building highways and tunnels and subways and whatnot all over the world has been advantageous to Israel. I mean, they can probably run the Haifa port better than anybody else. So that's that. Those are positives. On the other hand, the United States has been pushing back. To any country that is getting in bed with China, including Israel, and saying, "Hey, if you are giving so much, ownership and power to the Chinese, how do you know they're not bugging, the Haifa port? How do you know that they're not,
Well, they obviously are.
collecting?" Well, they probably are, but we,
They are. They
we ha-
are right there. Everything.
well, we haven't heard that officially yet. So,
Right.
before we
But
go
they
into the
wouldn't tell you, by the way.
right,
I think
right.
this a bunch of iPhones came out. There was actually they were bugged. A bunch of iPhones trying to bug Americans' iPhones, which is fascinating.
Well, we could talk about TikTok and how much their data they're
Oh God,
collecting
yeah.
on us there.
Right. I mean, well, the hypocrisy of America. They want us to do all this stuff on China, but they haven't banned TikTok.
Um,
And
but
it's
but I think in Israel we welcomed the Chinese investment, and then the United States pushed back, and then COVID happened, and then the I think the closure of China, which we've seen as they've tried the zero COVID policy in China, has sort of tainted the world a little bit. I think China's moves or threatening moves towards Taiwan are that have gotten stronger recently are
right.
worrying the
Also, they're
West.
responsible for coronavirus. So that's
Well, it started there. I don't know how it started. No, nobody really knows. We could get into an argument there, but we won't, because we won't. Neither of us will win. But I think the
it's fun.
bottom
It's
line
fun
is
to
that
argue.
the Israelis are becoming more wary of the Chinese, and I haven't heard of major Chinese investments or acquisitions. At least since COVID started, I think the Chinese have been preoccupied. On the other hand, our first autonomous car tests in Israel apparently will be NIOs, NIO, which is a Chinese electric car that will be outfitted with software and hardware technology from Mobileye. And so together, Mobileye and Intel, which owned Mobileye till Mobileye went public recently, and Chinese NIO vehicles will be doing autonomous taxi tests. Autonomous taxi tests. There's a tongue twister there. Autonomous taxi tests in Israel. So the world is very interconnected. I think there's been some stepping back from China, but we're still here, and we're still going to be in bed